बिरेस्तारा मुरगाव पोलिसांनी धाड घालून 2 आरोपींची गुटली उखलली। तांच्याकडल्यान सुमार 650 ग्राम गांजा जप्त केला, जाचे मोल सुमार 65,000 जाता। धाडी घालपाचे सत्र चालूच आसतले। गुन्यांवकारांचेर सक्तीची कारवाई करतले, मुरगावचो पीआय आल्विटो रॉड्रिगीसान सांगले। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
Received a reliable information that 2 accused persons will be coming to deliver narcotic substance. As such, we laid a trap and we apprehended these 2 persons. And during their personal search, we found in their possession 650 grams of suspected leafy substance to be ganja. They could not produce any document for the said possession. As such, they are arrested under NDPS Act, and further investigation is in progress.
Sir, where do you look
at near Baina Sewerage plant.
So a lot of ganja datta. What message you going to give with people?
Our raid will continue. We'll collect intelligence and any illegal activity, whether it be ganja or any other illegal activity, will take necessary action as per law.
Yes.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, समृता खणगावकर आणि निखिल जल्मी।